This is business application, system of linear equations, investment problem, example 1. So this is investment in two accounts. This person invested 9,700 into two different accounts. The first account paid 12%. The second account paid 2% in interest. At the end of the first year, he had earned $784 in interest. How much was invested into each account? Okay, so first we will summarize the problem into a table. So you have two accounts, first account and second account. In the first account it was invested X, and in the second account it was invested Y. The return in the first account was 12%, which is 0.12x, and the second account the return is 2%, which is 0.02y. So the total investment was 9,700. The return was 784. So we're going to take this, translate into linear system of equations, which is x plus y equals 9,700, 0.12x plus 0.02y equals 784. Then we're going to take this and write an augmented matrix A, which is x plus y equals 9,700, 0.12x plus 0.02y equals 784. Then use TI-84 RF A is going to give us this reduced row echelon form, which is x equals 5,900, y equals 3,800. So what that means is, in the first account, which is x, was invested 5,900. In the second account, which is y, is invested 3,800. So this is reduced Gauss-Jordan elimination. It gives you this reduced row echelon form, which is x equals A, y equals B is the solution, and that's what you see here. Okay, so let's do it in here. So you go to second matrix. We're going to create a matrix. You go to edit A. It is 2 by 3, so 2 by 3. Okay, then enter the values. So the x are 1.012, and the y values are 1.02, augmented with 9,700, and 784. Okay, make sure your entries are correct. So you have 1.12 for x values, the y values are 1.02, and the augmented are 9,700, 784. So you exit out of here, second quit, then do second matrix, hit enter, make sure the entries are correct. So it is 1.12, 1.02, the x value, the y values, and 9,700, 784. So you do second matrix, go to math, go all the way down, find the RF. Okay, second, hit enter, second matrix, call the matrix A, close it, hit enter, and here is the solution. X equals 5,900 and y equals 3,800. Okay, and indeed if you add x plus y, 5,900 plus 3,800 is going to give you 9,700, and if you multiply the 5,900 by 0.012 and multiply 3,800 by 0.02 and you add them, you're going to get 784. This is business application, system of linear equations, investment problem, example 2. Roberto invested 4,500 into two different accounts. The first account paid 7%, the second account paid 6% in interest. At the end of the first year, he had earned $293 in interest. How much was invested into each account? Again, summarize first in the table. So account, you have first account, second account. It was invested in the first account X and the second account Y. The first account earned 7%, which is 0.07x, and the second account earned 6%, which is 0.06y. The total investment was 4,500 and the return was 293. So we're going to take this table, translated into linear system of equations, which is x plus y is 4,500, 0.07x plus 0.06y is 293. We translate this into augmented matrix A. The x values are 1.07, so this is x plus y equals 4,500, 0.07x plus 0.06y is equal to 293. Okay, then you do RFA, you get this reduced row echelon form where x is equal to 2,300 and y is 2,200. So that means in the first account, which is x, was invested 2,300. In the second account, which is y, was invested 2,200. Okay, if we add these two, 2,300 and 2,200, it gives you indeed 4,500. And if you multiply 2,300 by 0.07 and the 2,200 by 0.06 and you add them, you will end up with 293. Okay, so you do second matrix again. We go to edit. It is 2 by 3. Then simply put the values. So the x are 1.07, those are the x values, and the y values are 1.06 augmented with 4,500. And 293. Okay, so quit out of here, second quit, then do second matrix, hit enter, enter again, make sure your entries are correct. So it is 1.07, 1.06, 4,500, 293. Then do second matrix, math, go all the way down, find the RF, second matrix, call matrix A, close it, hit enter, And here is the solution. X equals 2300 and Y equals 2200.
Please subscribe, watch, like, share to my 4 education channels. Links are below in the description. Interacting with each of my students in the classroom and outside classroom is what I enjoy the most. I am a strong believer on setting up individuals for success. Throughout my career, I always have done my very best to set up my students for success. Now, I want to do the same at youtube.com and share with you what I shared with my students for many years. You can help me a lot just by subscribe to my 4 education channels. Please subscribe, watch, like, share. Link below in the description. Channel 1, Business Calculus and Finance Tutorials, Osman Anwar. Channel 2, Calculus 2 and 1, AP Calculus Tutorials, Osman Anwar. Channel 3, Trigonometry Geometry, Pre-Calc, Tutorials, Osman Anwar. Channel 4, College and Intermediate Algebra / DMAT and Algebra 2 and 1, Osman Anwar.